and drive the car with the look, the feel, the power of success. The 56 Dodge, value leader of the forward look.
Well, we've just taken you out to the ball game in a manner of speaking, and now we're going to take you down a new kind of automobile assembly line with rhythm and rhyme.
The Chrysler Corporation. Look to the forward look. Everything about it is brand new. All the country took to the forward look. And so by Jiminy, will you?
It's easy to see the country roll by. The swept-back windshield is the reason why. Our power steering works full time. Our power brakes let you stop on the dime.
Look to the forward look. Everything about it is brand new. All the country took to the forward look. And so by Jiminy, will you?
Power flight transmission makes you go like flash with drive selector on the dash. Men love the engine most of all, so powerful it makes them feel 10 feet tall.
Look to the forward look. Everything about it is brand new. All the country took to the forward look. And so by Jiminy, will you?
Put it all together and you have got the car of the year that is genuine hot. Its beautiful lines are so low. Even standing still, it looks like go.
Look to the forward look. Everything about it is brand new. All the country took to the forward look. And so by Jiminy, will you?
But don't buy a Jiminy.
Buy a Plymouth Dodge, DeSoto, Chrysler, or Imperial. The forward look from Chrysler Corporation. Chrysler Corporation.
In just a moment, we'll return to the second act of A Promise to Murder. And now your host, Bill Lundigan.
I'd like to give you some straight talk about a very important decision you may be faced with. Let me start by saying that the biggest investment you're likely to make in your whole life is your house. But you may not have considered that the second biggest investment you're likely to make is your new car. Now, when a family sets out to buy a house, they spend weeks, maybe months, looking around, visiting model homes, comparing the differences. But strangely enough, research indicates that 58% of people buy the same make car they bought the last time without even comparing it with any other make. Compare all for style. Look at the brilliant white sweep styling seen in the cars of the Forward Look 56. Lines that move cleanly and boldly from the sharply upswept tail fins to the forward-thrusting headlights. Compare this years ahead styling with the styling of other cars, and you'll know the flight sweep is for you. See if you, too, don't find that the greatest new feature in years is push-button power flight. A fingertip touch sets you in motion smoothly, effortlessly. You can't get it in any car but a Chrysler Corporation car, so compare, and you'll find all other methods of drive selection already out of date. Here's another important comparison: power steering. Only on Chrysler Corporation cars can you have the tremendous advantage of full-time, safety-touch power steering. Power steering that works for you all the time instead of cutting in and out. Even if you now drive with a part-time system, you can discover there's a better way by comparing. So if you're planning, thinking, or only just dreaming of a new 1956 car, compare them all feature by feature, and I'll bet you'll choose one of the cars of the Forward Look 56. Plymouth, Dodge, DeSoto, Chrysler, or the exclusive Imperial. And now we return to Climax, tonight starring Louis Hayward, Peter Lorre, and Ann Hart.
Hollywood. Chrysler Corporation, maker of these 5 great cars. Plymouth, Dodge, DeSoto, Chrysler, and the exclusive Imperial, the 5 great cars of the Forward Look. Chrysler Corporation presents Climax. Tonight starring Louis Hayward, Peter Lorre, Ann Harding. And now your host for Chrysler Corporation.
The newest new cars in 20 years from Chrysler Corporation.
The way people have reacted to that new styling. More than a new silhouette, it's
The new shape of motion.
New shape of motion in all 5 cars of the Forward Look. Completely new. The 1957 Plymouth. Compare the fins. Those fins. They're the keynote of our styling leadership. Styling that others are trying to follow. Compare the new Lotus.
Remember, the entire body is new, as much as 5 inches lower. Twin light styling, really new front grills.
The 1957 Dodge.
1957 Dodge.
The new Dodge. That's right. Everybody does a double take when they see this new shape of motion.
Completely new styling. 93 models, 417 color combinations to choose from.
The 1957 DeSoto.
Again, styling leadership, plus completely new performance.
New Torsionaire Ride is a completely new idea in suspension systems.
1957 Chrysler.
With a completely new transmission, the new push-button Torque Flight transmission.
Smoother, swifter acceleration for greater control in every driving range. New power, too. New V8s with greater all-around performance. And here's the proudest expression of the Forward Look.
The 1957 Imperial.
And this year, introducing an Imperial converter. Imperial is the finest automobile. No matter what price range or model you're interested in, find the styling leader, the best value, among the 93 models of the Forward Look. The newest new cars in 20 years, the 1957
Plymouth, Dodge, DeSoto, Chrysler, and the exclusive